Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting the fix now. Connect the iPhone to power and a reliable Wi-Fi network so the update can resume. Once plugged in, free at least 5 GB by deleting or offloading large apps and clearing cached media. This prevents failed downloads. Next, make sure battery is above 50% and toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to refresh network stacks. Doing these first steps reduces interruptions and prepares the device for the next. Deeper actions. Now remove the stalled package so the system can fetch a fresh copy. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the iOS Update entry and tap Delete Update to remove any corrupted or partial download. Once deleted, perform a full restart, power off, wait 30 seconds, then power on to clear temporary caches. After the reboot, reconnect to Wi-Fi and navigate to Software Update. The device will re-download a clean installer. This clears the common cause of paused updates. Finish by tapping Download and Install and keep the phone charged and on Wi-Fi. Periodically wake the screen to verify progress. If the update still pauses or errors, connect to a Mac or PC and update via Finder or iTunes. This often succeeds because it uses a direct download and install path. As a last resort, perform a DFU mode restore to reinstall iOS, but back up first. DFU is powerful and erases data, so use it only when the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.